We just got our first video render of the OnePlus 7 thanks to OnLeaks, and it shows the pop-up camera in its full glory. This 360-degree render of the OnePlus 7 shows a bezel-less design, a 6.5-inch optic AMOLED display with no notch and no punch hole for the camera, because OnePlus went with the pop-up camera mechanism for this year's model, so you might as well just kiss water resistance goodbye. But that has enabled them to have this all-screen design on the front. We can also see that the phone has curved edges like we see on Galaxy devices, and it's gonna have an in-display fingerprint scanner. We're not quite sure yet if the sensor is going to be optical or ultrasonic, but knowing that the ultrasonic sensor is quite expensive and OnePlus likes to keep their prices low, I wouldn't be surprised to see an optical fingerprint sensor. On the back, the OnePlus 7 has a triple camera setup, a normal angle lens, a telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide angle lens. Also, the OnePlus 7 will not have wireless charging, as confirmed by the company's CEO, Pete Lau, who said the company will not implement wireless charging in its devices until they can make it as fast as wired charging. Well, I got news for you, sir. Huawei, Samsung, and Xiaomi just made it as fast as wired charging, so you might want to think of a better reason for not including it. There's a lot of skepticism around the pop-up camera. What if it gets jammed inside? How are you going to use a case? What if dirt gets inside? Is it still going to be water resistant? Well, I can say for sure you can kiss water resistance goodbye. As for the rest, we'd have to find out later down the line. But the Vivo Nex seems to have held up pretty well, so I hope this one holds up pretty well too. I have a video going in depth about the specs of the OnePlus 7. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Do let me know what you think of this pop-up camera in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more awesome tech updates like this, and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post another video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.